In this video, I'm going to explain how to merge two arrays in one array. Let's start it because it was like the interview question. I have here two arrays. The first array I name it array1. I give the values Java, Ruby, and Python. And the second array is array2. I give three values to is HTML, C++, C#. So the goal here is to merge them in one array. Instead of two arrays, we're gonna merge them in one array. First of all, what we need to do, we need to define another array, third array where we merge those arrays. Let's start. String this, open close square bracket. Let's name it merge equal to new string, open close square braces, semicolon at the end. And in here, what we need to do, we need to put like array1, the length of the array1 and the length plus the length of the array2. Array1 dot length plus array2 dot length. Like this, guys, we get the length of both array. So right here, let's start our work. What we need first, we need one variable, integer variable. Let's create because we're gonna use it later. Let's call it C equal to 0, assign it to 0. And now let's start the first thing. We need for loops. The first loop is going to loop inside the first array and add it to the merge. And the second for loop is gonna loop inside the array2 and add it to merge2. After that, we need the third loop to print all the values inside the merge array. Let's start. With integer I equal to 0 and I is less than first array dot length. I increase by 1. Open close curly brace. Now what we need to do inside this one, we need to write merge inside this square bracket. We need to put I, after that equal to array1, also the value it will be I, and that's the reason why we create the C variable, because it's gonna add by 1, increase by 1. Now what we need to do, we need to create another for loop to loop inside the second array. Let's go ahead, create it. Is j equal to 0, j it's less than array2 dot length, j increase by 1, open close curly braces. And now what we need to write inside, we need to write merge, but inside this one, instead of value I or j, we're gonna write like this, C++ equal to array2 I, value inside is I. We don't need to add anything. It's not I, sorry, it's j. We do not add anything now. That's what we need. Now what we need to create a third for loop to loop inside merge and print all the values that we have. Like this, you can use for loop or you can use for each, it's up to you. A it's equal to 0, A it's less than merge dot length, and A increase by 1. Open close curly braces. Inside there, what we need to do, we need to sys out merge A. Like this, it's gonna print all the values. Let's run it and see if it works. Yes guys, it works fine. Let's print all the values that we need. But let me do it like this and make it clear and readable and make understandable. We're gonna print it only one single line. That's more readable. Yeah. We print all the values that inside the array. Well, array do this. Armor is working fine. Thank you guys.